Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Technologies, and we are back with one more tutorial which is based on Microsoft SharePoint. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about what is Microsoft SharePoint, why do we use it, and much more. So let's start it. So SharePoint is a Microsoft 365 tool. It promotes the digital communication, collaboration. It allows you to create cutting edge corporate sites, publish branded content, and it's a hub which is used to manage file list under permissions. These are the features of SharePoint, like it can collaboration, it can customization of your things, your files, your documents. It can manage your documents, so it has very secure network, and you can use the Power Apps by using the SharePoint also. So these Power Apps are all interconnected. It has list and libraries. It is also mobile friendly. So it has responsiveness by default. It has business process automation. You can automate your business process by using this. And this has one more special feature, which is external sharing. If you want to share in case your files, that too you can do by using this. Next question is, why should we learn it? So the most important thing is that it used to streamline tasks like task handover, sign off, project deliveries, approvals, and presenting a demo and client feedback. It can help you in many ways. How to open SharePoint? Now we are going to open the SharePoint. Before that, let me tell you, you need to sign in the SharePoint account. You should have Microsoft 365 account, your work account or your business account. So you should go to Office 365, office.com, and then you can sign in if you have, work or school account. Or you can do what, after reaching there, upper left corner of the window, you need to select the app launcher, and from that app launcher you'll be selecting all apps and then SharePoint. And if you don't see the SharePoint app under there, so you can go search box near the top of the window to search for SharePoint. So let's go and let's try to open SharePoint. So this is the desktop, and here in this search option I'm going to search for Microsoft 365 Office, and it is already there, so I'm going to click on it. It will take a while to open. This is here, welcome to Microsoft 365, and here is my content feed apps. I can go here and can click on apps. And here I'll be able to see all the apps which I have. I can click here all apps, or I can even see here. So this is SharePoint, and I'm going to click on it. When I click on it, it will be, taking me to the browser, and this is going to be the first page. The other way is that I'm going to close it. And the other way is that you can directly search here for SharePoint and can click on it. It will also take you to the SharePoint. So this is how the SharePoint looks like. It may differ from my organization to yours, as I have these frequent sites and I don't have anything else here. So you might have many other things too. So that depends. These are 9 dots. If you count, you'll be able to get. So they are 9 dots, and when I click on it, I'll be able to go to any app, and this is called App Launcher. I'll show you. Here you can access all the apps. This is the first SharePoint start page on which we land. So if I'm going to click on it, nothing will change, will be redirecting towards this page only. So this is the start page. Next option is my sites. So after clicking on it, I can see my sites. I'm going to click on it. I can see these are my frequent sites, and this is the site which I have created. Next is my news. So I can go in this section and can see my news. Here is the option of my files. So whatever the files I have created, I'll be able to see all those files here. Next is my list. So I can see all sort of lists which I have created. So recently I have created the list for employee onboarding. So I can see that only. This is a very important part because after clicking on it, you can create so many things in SharePoint. Let me click. Here is the option of news, post, page, site, document, spreadsheet, presentation, notebook and list. So you can do so many things in it. Like if you want to create the news post, you can simply click on it. You can click on page, you can create the site. So you just need to simply click and you'll be able to do it. Here you can see create site. This is also one option which is on the top. This is also create new post. So if you want to directly create the site and directly want to go for the option of create news post, you can directly select from here, or the other way is that you can click on it and can select the news post or site from here. If I move to right hand side, it is the option of setting, and this is the option for help, and here is my profile. So when I click on it, if I want to make any changes, I can do here. But right now I don't want to make any changes, so I'll be okay with it. Now let's try to create a site where we are not going to do any type of addition. We are simply going to use the by default whatever the Microsoft will offer us to make the site. So this is team site. As it is mentioned that track and stay updated on project status, share team resources and co-author content. All site owners and members publish site content, can connect to other Microsoft 365 products. Communication site also, there are two options to create it. One you can create by using team site, or other way is that you can click on communication site and you can create it. Share information that engage a broad audience, create a portal or subject focused site, engage dozens or thousands of viewers, few content authors and many site visitors. So I'm going to click on this communication site, and then there are so many options which is here by Microsoft. I can simply click on any, like I can click here and I can read the site capabilities, and I can simply click here, use template, or I can preview this site. When I click on preview site, I'll be able to see this is going to be my home page. I can use this, so I can simply click on use template. Here I can fill the site name because I don't want to make it, so I'll be writing demo, and then you can give the site description. This is going to be the URL for your site, and then you can simply click on next. And I'll be choosing this language by default, English. I'm okay with it. So now I'm going to click on create site, and in a while my site will be ready. So this is the site which I have created right now, you can see. And in our next video we'll be learning how to make changes in it, and we'll also be learning what else we can do in SharePoint. So I hope you liked today's video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.